Hi, I just ordered this from Amazon.com and it's a genuine Panama hat. And it's from Tumia. This is the unboxing. This is how it came to me from Amazon. And I wanted to just talk a little bit about Panama Hat. I hadn't really heard too much about Panama hats until recently, and I found out that these hats can cost a lot of money. Even a basic Panama hat can start at a lot of money. This one from Amazon is about the cheapest I've seen, and it's about $70 US. But I wanted to try out a Panama hat, and they can cost up to $25,000, so you could spend the same amount for a car as a hat. But I was really impressed with this hat that I got from Amazon, and this is the package it came in. You can see it's nicely boxed up. The hat was protected. And this is the rollable version of the hat. But you can see the weave on this is really very nice, and I was actually really impressed with the way this hat was built. And you can see it's very lightweight, has a beautiful weave to it. I think it's a cool looking hat. So I'm pretty impressed with this. It is what they call rollable. You have to be careful. The way you roll the hat is you push the brim out like that, and then you fold over one half of the hat into the other half, so you kind of have half a hat. And, oh, you want to put the brim down. You want to make sure the brim's down. And then you roll it like this, not too tight. And then loosely, you can put this into a backpack or something like that. You don't want to keep it rolled too long though, because it'll hold that shape if you do it for too long. And you can see, you can pull it out. Just get it back to where it was. Looks like everything is pretty close to where it was. It's not going to be as rigid as the non-rollable hats, but it still makes it pretty convenient to travel, and you still got yourself a genuine Panama hat. Looks good. Very nice. I'm very pleased with it.